Hey, Jason here at the Appleton iCar Tech Center. Today we're going to chat a little bit about brakes. Sometimes in collision repair you've got to open up the braking system. Maybe you got to replace a line or a hose or a caliper, and that's going to require topping off the system and bleeding it. So how do you know what brake fluid to use? Well, a lot of times you look at the master cylinder cap or the cap on the reservoir, see what it says. This one says .4. So I can go to the parts counter, ask for some .4 fluid, and then get to work. But not so fast. Not all .4 fluid is created equally. There's some caveats to it that you need to know. So the difference between regular .4 brake fluid and .4 Class 6 and Class 7 brake fluid is the viscosity. Class 6 and 7 brake fluid is quite a bit thinner, which allows modern electronic braking systems to react faster. They can apply the brakes faster and release the brakes faster, allowing the computer-controlled braking to operate as it's designed. That's especially important in a system like automatic emergency braking. When you're talking about milliseconds, it could mean the difference between hitting the car that stopped in front of you and not hitting it. So identifying brake fluid that's Class 6 or Class 7 can be done by the label sometimes. Sometimes it'll say Class 6 or 7 right on the label. Other times there's low viscosity brake fluid that'll say LV on the label. Now that's a low viscosity, but that's not a guarantee that it actually meets the Class 6 and Class 7 standards. So how do I know which brake fluid to put in this vehicle? Well, it comes down to service information. Do your research. Check the service information for the specifications that the vehicle requires for the braking system. If you use the wrong brake fluid in one of these high-performance electronic braking systems, you could alter the reaction time of it and compromise the vehicle's safety systems. Thanks for watching.